Hello viewers, welcome to Jamb Online Mathematics. Thank you once again for joining me on the platform. Okay, we have a question on the board. Jamb 2002 question 1. We start using table evaluate 343 power 1 over 3 times 0.14 power minus 1 times 25 power minus 1 over 2. Okay, for this very problem, I'm going to apply 2 steps, and at the end, I'm going to have the same result. Okay, when I obtain my result, I will now pick the best option for it. Okay, now let us see what we need to do. Remember, I told you we are going to apply 2 steps. Okay, let me now have the question. I want to have the question. This is what we have. Okay, and this very one, I'm going to reduce this part to a lower base. I will also reduce this part to a lower base. Okay, to reduce 343 to a lower base becomes 7 power 3. And I will have my fractional index outside times, and this very part here, I can as well have it as 14 over 100. And I will have the negative exponent outside the bracket. Okay, while for this one, I can reduce the base to 5, and I will have the power 2. I will have the power 2, and the negative fractional index will be outside the bracket. Okay, what can we do here? What can we do in this very one? Okay, now for these parts, I can as well eliminate 3. This power here, this 3 here, can as well eliminate this very one. I can cancel out. It means that for this one, I can also cancel out. Okay, and also for this very part, okay, let me just leave this one for now. Let me bring what I have here. So whatever I have here left, I want to bring it down. Therefore, I'm going to have 7 left here. Here is going to be 7. Okay, and for this part, we still have 14. Okay, don't forget that for this part, we have to take the reciprocal. It means that for this one, I can as well have 100 over 14 times 5 power minus. Okay, for this very one also we have a negative exponent left here. Okay, affecting the base. I can as well have 1 over 5 for the last one there. Okay, this is what we now have now. What can we now do? Okay, it means that for this one, I can as well see 7. Okay, we can as well eliminate first. I can as well see here 7 can go for 14. I will have 2 here. Okay, for this one, I can see 5 can go for 100. I will have 20 in this very part. Okay, it means that what I have left there become 20 over 2. And 20 over 2 is 10. It is 10. Now, can you see what we have? The result is 10. Okay, let me now see apply the second step. I want to apply the second step. Remember, we have a very problem as 345 power 1 over 3 times 0.14 power minus 1 times 25 power minus 1 over 2. Okay, now what can we do here using step 2? I want to take the cube root of 343. Okay, because this one is a fractional index. For this one, still remain 14 over 100 times this very one. I need to also take the root of 25. But before I do that, I have to say 1 divide the root of 25 because of the negative sign there. Okay, for this part, I can say now, what will I multiply? Meaning I need to look for a number to multiply 3 times to give me 343, and that number will be the same all through. Therefore, it will be 7 times 7 times 7 by 3 times. It means that 7 will be the answer here. I mean, the 10 root of 3, 4, 3 will be 7. I'm going to have 7 in that very part. Okay, for this one, okay, please don't forget we still have a negative power here. Please don't forget we have a negative power. And I'm going to have here as 100 over 14 times, and what is the roots of 25? We simply have it as 5. Okay, for this one I can as well say again that 5 here is 1, 5 here is 20, 7 here is 1, and 7 here is 2. Therefore, we're going to have 20 over 2. It means that the answer will also be 10. Can you see what we have here? I have applied 2 steps. I have a common answer. I have the same answer at the end of the solution. Now, from the very options, what is the best option for the solution? Mean option A is the best option. This is how we solve a problem like this. Thank you once again for joining me on the platform, Jamb Online Mathematics. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mathematics Science Mega Tutorial. All the best.